Okay, so for 4, 5, 6, and 7, it wants you to write the words as decimal numbers. So it wants you to make them look something like what I wrote for you here with the decimal point in it. So it says, number 4 is 23 hundredths. Well, I know to write a hundredth, I have to do a 0 decimal point, 23. That's 23 hundredths. I know that's 23 of those little squares. Okay, that would be 2 tenths, and then 3 hundredths, and that's what that is. And then number 5 is 8 and 4 tenths. Well, this one, it's not going to be a 0 at the beginning, because look, it starts with 8. Okay, 8 is like 8 of these big squares. Okay, it's not a tenth, it's 8. It's in the ones place. And, remember we said and is like our decimal. So when you see an and in a number like this, it's a decimal point. It counts as a decimal point. So 8 and 4 tenths. Okay, remember 4 tenths is like having 4 of these lines colored in. Okay, that's 40 hundredths, but 4 tenths is here. Okay, and there's no hundredths at all. So that's number 5. Number 6 is 30 and 20 hundredths. Well, 30 is like having 30 of these big squares. Okay, it'd be like having 30 of these. So 30 and, remember and is a decimal point, 20 hundredths. 20. Okay, 20 hundredths, that's 20 of those little cubes. And you can see if you were to color in 2 rows, here and here, that would be the same thing as 2 tenths. It's equal to the same thing. 30 and 20 hundredths. And then for number 7 is 5 hundredths. Well, here we have 4 hundredths. You can see 5 hundredths would just be one more little block colored in. And that looks like this. 0, decimal point, 0, 5. That's 5 hundredths. Any questions?